Alright, got these in late, but it's finally here. We got 2024 Pro Debut. These are the jumbo boxes, so they come with 3 autographs per box. And you're pretty much chasing Skeens or some of the more well-known rookies. There's some prospects in here, but they're not worth that much right now. So we're just going to go for big cards and see if we can get anything from that. I mean, even the Skeens cards and such aren't worth a ton from this set, but this is a lower priced set. It's $89.99. I think it's $89.99 or $99.99 if you bought it straight from Topps. But now if you buy it secondhand, I think these are going for 140 or 150 bucks a box. So it's quite a bit more. I was able to buy it straight from Topps. So I think there's maybe 6 packs in here. Let's put this thing in here. See what we can get. One really neat thing from this set is that there's dual and triple autographs. So maybe we can get super insanely lucky and get one of those. So there's a hobby box which comes with 4 autographs. This is a jumbo, it only comes with 3. But with this set, there's a bunch more chrome and chrome refractors in the set, and more parallels and numbered cards. So the regular one is mostly paper. So we'll see what we can get. This is kind of a easygoing set because it doesn't cost a ton to rip these, so it's more relaxed as opposed to opening some expensive items and you really got to get your money back kind of thing. So this is way more chill. So a lot of these guys we won't know. Some of the paper, it's what they look like. They look like just like the regular Topps cards. The Topps and the Topps Chrome. There's Jackson Holiday. That's cool for our first pack. That's what we're looking for. Pro Debut, Cole Young, Boyd, Sanatello, Max Anderson, CC Sabathia. This is like a throwback. I think this is like in the 80s. This design, I think. There we go. Who do we have here? Oswaldo Osario. Rising Stars. Alright, here we go for the noticeably shinier, thicker cards. First one's going to be Marcus Brown, Chris Newell, Caden Wallace. We got Ortiz, Parada, and Blade Tidwell. Alright, pack 1 down. Let me know if I missed anybody. Kind of just know the popular guys like Holiday, the rest of the Jacksons, Ellie, Colton Cowser, those guys. So this is new to me. George Lombard Jr., Chase Young, Walker Jenkins. That's one of the better ones. Ryan Clifford, Josue DePaula. Keep that. And we got Sebastian Walcott. See, this is auto. It's an auto. Cam Collier, Daytona Tortugas. Look at that. He's like kissing the pitcher. See that? Sleeve that up in a second. Look at this card. Marco Vargas. Look at that shininess. Sleeve those up in a second. Grayson Hitt. Carlson Reed. Are these all refractors? Or are they chrome? I think they're refractors. That's cool. Jack Mahoney. Cooper Ingle. Tommy Hawk. David McCabe. Alright, let's sleeve some of these guys up. So we got Marco Vargas. This is paper. It's thin. paper card, and Cam Collier. Okay, that's that. Let's see what's next. These are nice fat packs. So we get 3 autos. There's our gold out of 50. Open it the opposite way. So gold out of 50, Weblin Francisca. All right, let's start back over here. Arias, Ceballos, Levinson, Rocafort, Brushing. Let's see. We won't take too much time on these paper cards, huh? Dylan Cruz, Jet Williams, Chase Davis, Brock Wilkin, Jack Hurley auto. Jack Hurley from the Hops. What city is that? I can't even read that. What city does that say? Hillsboro. Hillsboro Hops. That is our second auto. Jack Hurley. Man, we need a triple auto, huh? Are they from the same team? No, that's Tortugas. Okay. All right, next we got Hanley Ramirez. That can go there. Jacob Gonzalez out of 75. Can go there, I guess. Noble Meyer, Farmelo, Pagero, Rios. We got a blue Valdez out of 150. That's a neat card. That can go here. And then Weblin Francisca. This is out of 50. So out of 150 and then out of 50. Huh. Gotta look those guys up later and see if they're top prospects or not. I don't know. Alright, let's see what we got going in the rest of this. Cunningham, Fabian, Arjun Namala, Jesus Baez. What do we got going on? Tidwell. Here's our auto? No, it's a blue. Nathan Detmer. Pro debut. It's numbered out of 150. The blues are 150, it looks like. Here's White Langford. Heroes of the Diamond. Blake Mitchell. This is like a Greetings from Arizona card. Let's look at our refractors. Torero. Adrian Santana. Spencer Jones. Ahuna. Snelling. And Austin Charles. We still have 2 packs to go. You get a lot of cards in this. Are we doing one? Are we doing one box or 2? That's the question. All right, let's see. Diane George, Andrew Pickney, Gilbert, Beck, Melton, Johnson, Toman, Alvarez, Wiggins, Fisher, Eldridge, De Los Santos. Is that guy good? Maybe. Sanchez, Bradfield, Walcott, out of 150. Auto. This is our third auto. It's Ty Floyd for the Reds. And it's numbered out of 150 because it's that blue. So that is our numbered auto. The other 2 are not. Oh, I gotta sleeve that up, but I just saw a Jackson Holiday. Let's sleeve this one up. And then let's look at this Jackson Holiday. Oh, that is the front. That's funny. Okay, what does this say? Road to the Show. Jackson Holiday. That's going to be sleeved up. Roderick Arias for the Tarpons. The Tarpons, it looks like the tampons almost. Look at that. Out of 199, so purple's 199. Devin Sebastian, Kiefer Lord, Bernabel, Motts, Baez, Connor O'Halloran. Well, wonder these prospects, we don't really know what we're looking at. So I'm kind of hoping for some of these refractors for the rookies that we do know. Okay, let's see what we got going. Cam Collier, Detmer, Haas, Melendez. See if there's anything worth stopping for. Roman Anthony. Okay. Brando Maia, Noble Meyer, Drew Jones. What do we got here? Sebastian Walcott, Ralphie Velasquez. Okay. Adam Mazur. We got our X Factor in the back. Diego Mosquera, Luke Keeshall, Brock Vredenberg, Drew Thorpe, and then we have Homer Bush Jr. Kind of like that name though. Okay, that's one. That is one full hobby box or jumbo box actually. We got 3 autos. We got a. Let's just do a real quick recap. So we got that Homer Bush. We got Jackson Holiday, Wyatt Langford. We got, let's see, Jackson Holiday base card. So a couple Jackson Holidays. Here's our numbered cards. Is this one? Oh yeah. So this is a Marco Vargas. This is out of 175. Roderick Arias. Nathan Detmer. So that's 3. Francisco Weblin Francisca. 4. That's out of 50. 5. So we got, looks like 6 numbered cards. 3 autographs. An X-Fractor. Not numbered. And that's pretty much it. And we got some Chrome cards, but I don't think any of the Chrome are players that we recognize. I don't think there was one. Let's go back through this. Let's see. No, not really. Should we do another box? Want to do another box or no? Yes? Alright, cool. Who am I talking to? I don't know. Let's see. Alright, just one more. Just one more. That's it. That's it. We gotta do a 2-box review. Like, one's not enough, right? It's not a big enough sample size. Because you could go really bad or really good. We need more. Actually, I think a good sample size is 4. But we're not doing 4 today. I don't think. Alright, let's get started. We're already 13 minutes in, so. First card is gonna be a gold card out of 50. Number 1 out of 50. Cade Horton. Look at that. 1 out of 50. That's a cool card already. Alright. Cade Horton. Hope he's good. Okay, let's get going. Duno, George, Homer Bush, Ledbetter, Crawford. Anybody worth stopping for? Ty Pete, Auto, Ty Pete, Modesto Nuts. Modesto Nuts. All right. Justin Morneau. Okay. David McCabe out of 99. Green is out of 99. Here come our refractors. Nobody worth noting that I can see. It's kind of a difficult. I mean, they're not expensive, but it's difficult to get like a big time player, it looks like. I mean, they're kind of sprinkled in here. Cade Horton, Wyatt Langford. Okay, 1. Here we go. Colton Ledbetter out of 50. Oh, so we got 2 out of 50s in this. Here's Colton Ledbetter. The Charleston River Dogs. I mean, I do like the numbered cards. Those are cool. Spencer Jones. Jonathan Mejia. Let's see what we can get with our refractors. Nada. A lot of refractors that I have no idea who they are. Alright, let's see if we can get something special. Really could go for double or triple auto. That would be so sweet. I don't know if I've gotten one before. No. Another Colton Ledbetter? Auto this time. Colton Ledbetter. We're all about Colton Ledbetter. So we got the out of 50. Here, it's a better view. Out of the 50. And then we got an auto out of 199, it looks like. With this, what is this? Speckle? Yeah, it's not a shimmer. I think it's a speckle. Dylan Cruz. Okay. And then we got Cade Morris. I gotta put this Colton Ledbetter up here. Cade Morris out of 199. Here come our refractors. I don't know these guys. That's a lot of refractors for not knowing one of them. Cam Collier out of 99. Alright, let's start with the paper. I mean, there's Churio. It's cool. I don't know about my thoughts yet about ripping this. Cole Emerson. Pedro Martinez. Let's put him there. Yasser Mercedes. Jewel Gilbert. Jordan Beck. Melton. Johnson. Then we have Cam Collier out of 99. Oh, that's the dude that's blowing that kiss. I mean, you kind of got to get really lucky to get a player that's well known. So I'm not sure how many of these I want to open. I have all these prospects I know nothing about. And when I try to look it up, here's Namala. When I tried to look it up, it didn't look like there was a lot of high-priced rookies. Here's Celestin. Ethan Salas. There we go. There's Skeens. There's Skeens right there. We got something. We're going to sleeve that up because that's a known player that we're trying to chase. And we got one. So let's just put him right there. Oh, what a Skeens auto, huh? Diaz, Castro, Keegan. We got Cam Fisher. Auto, Cam Fisher. Fayetteville Woodpeckers. I wonder if... Oh, there's another Skeens. Heroes of the Diamond Skeens. That's funny. I'm like sleeving up the Skeens automatically, and then the autos can wait, right? That's funny. Here's a Ty Pete again. The Modesto Nuts. Alvarez. Namala. We got Namala Pro Debut Chrome. Refractor. That's all I know so far. Already down to our last pack? That's crazy. These kind of go fast because you skip through the you kind of skip through the paper, so it kind of goes fast. What do we think? Vargas, Campbell, Dylan Cruz. Take those. What's this? Aiden Miller. Sebastian Walcott. Okay. Here's our refractors. Trey Morgan. Bovey. Kafis. AJ Ewing. Cole Foster. Connor O'Halloran. X-Fractor. Well, that was 2. We're gonna do more or not? Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. All of a sudden it's a 20-minute video. We should separate these videos maybe. But you're in the treat. If you're liking this, you're in the treat because just keep opening boxes. Yeah, I wouldn't pay more than $150 for these. Like $160, $170, no way. I mean, you have chances to get autos, but ooh, here's an orange one. Christian Campbell out of 25. That is cool. Oh, when you get cards like that, it's cool. But yeah, I got these straight from Topps, so we did okay. Langford. Cam Collier again. Here we go. Out of 150. This guy likes us. Cam Collier. Pedro Martinez again. Jun Suk Shim. Okay. Justin Crawford. Brock Rodden. Seth Keener. And then we got this Christian Campbell to 25 orange. I guess anytime you pull an orange is cool. Because this is a nice thicker chrome card where these other paper ones are really thin. Okay. So why are some... Oh, maybe the 50s and the 25s, they show up on the back right when you open it, but this one, maybe they don't have it. I haven't noticed. Jack Hurley, I keep seeing that name. Drew Gilbert to 299, signed. Paul Skeens, Heroes of the Diamond, not signed. Angel Janau, numbered. Okay, here we go with the refractors. You know what? We've gotten one Namala refractor, and that's it. All these other ones, I haven't noticed one good one. Have you guys? Look, Colton Ledbetter again. Jeez, getting like it's crazy how we get a lot of the cards that we don't necessarily want, just over and over. Here's Jackson Churio. Aiden Miller. Jack Bennett. Nathan Hickey. Connor Burns. Henry Bolt. Sean Sullivan. And Colton Ledbetter. Holy cow, that's a lot of unknown refractors. Jack Hurley out of 75. Alright, we got something else that's green in there. Hopefully that'll be good. Let's see. Let's see if we can make some magic. Okay. Sukshim. Maybe. Rainer Arias. Whoa, that is cool. That's a cool looking card. Is this dude good or what? I don't know. I kind of like that card though. Out of 199. Justin Morneau. Okay. Adrian Sagasti. Green. Plays for the Eugene Emeralds. And look at that emerald card. That's cool. So that's one thing that's known and missing from this set is you're just not going to recognize. This is cool. Out of 75. You're just not going to recognize a lot of the players. And they're not necessarily going to be valuable right now. Maybe in the future. Probably like, I mean, what was the other set? Stars and Stripes? That one you're holding for like 10, 15 years. Maybe this one you're holding for 3 to 5 years or something, because we don't know who's who in here. But you do get numbered cards and some good color. Here's Max Clark. Spencer Jones. Celestin. Here we go with the refractors again. I don't know anybody from these refractors. That's a lot of refractors where you don't... I mean, I guess you only know schemes, right? Okay. Out of 150. Let's see what we got going on. Okay. Oh, this is our auto then. Dario Laverde. A lot of autos though. Dylan Cruz. We got Sabin Ceballos. Carlos George. Homer Bush Jr. Colton Ledbetter. Thomas Colby. Garrett Forrester. And our last card is this blue out of 150 Lucas Gordon from the Cannonballers. So let's just do a quick recap since I have it. I mean, I pretty much have it all here. Let's see how many numbered cards we get. We can count these guys up. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So maybe you get like 7 or 8 per jumbo. It's not bad. Dylan Cruz. Here's some of the more well-known: Churio, Langford, Namala, the only chrome one we know. Namala, Churio, Cruz, Langford, Holiday, Langford, Namala, Wilkin, Cruz, DePaula, Jenkins, and Holiday. And then we have a couple Skeens in here. Heroes of the Diamond, Heroes of the Diamond, and then a base card. Let's see, CC Sabathia. And then let's look at our... Are these... No, that's Bowman first. So Homer Bush Jr. and Oswaldo Osorio. And then we have... Let's see. Let's look at our autos. Should have 9. So we have Cam Fisher, Jack Hurley, Dario Laverde, 3. Rainer Arias, 4. Drew Gilbert, it's a blue one, 5. Colton Ledbetter, 6. Ty Pete, 7. Cam Collier, and Ty Floyd. So that's pretty much it. If I do find out any of these are valuable, I will hop back on and do another recap. But for now, that's Topps 2024 Pro Debut Jumbo. They look like this. Probably, I don't know, 140 bucks right now per. So you do have a lot of chances to get something pretty cool from it, because if you get one Skeens auto out of that, so one out of however many you buy, it's gonna be worth at least $300, $400, $500. So, and then you also have a chance to get the double and triple autos, which are cool. So, okie doke. Till next time. Bye.